Hi there, this is ReNew from the Leather Repair Company. This is LRC47. ReNew is an all-in-one product. It is self-sealing and it alleviates an enormous amount of work where there isn't much damage on your item. So basically ReNew works, and this particular colour we've got here is buttermilk. Obviously this is a sort of like a very darkish cream leather. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to show you here. You're going to be able to see it going on. This sort of damage that you see here is far too much for ReNew to work. That is where you would need a proper leather restoration process with a proper, with a full leather paint called LRC14 and obviously an LRC15 to prep it with initially. With this particular one, what we're going to do is we would wipe over the surface first of all with LRC3, which is the alcohol cleaner, which we've already done here, and then we would apply LRC47 ReNew. So once again, give it a good shake to make sure it's all the paint and sealers and things are all mixed up together. Wear some gloves, put some gloves on just to protect your hands, just save sort of cleaning and messing around. And then you're going to use a sponge, which again you can get from the website on the store on leatherrepaircompany.com, and give it a good shake, take the top off and just get some applied to the sponge itself, like so. Just get some applied on there, and then you're just going to wipe that in first of all. Just wipe it in streaks like this to cover over any of the sort of damage that you see on the surface there. You can then dry that with a hairdryer if you wanted to. Once you've dried that with the hairdryer, you can then start to stipple over the surface like so. And that is going to cover up all of the damage that you see on this leather item very, very quickly and very, very effectively on the surface to cover all the damage that's there. ReNew works very, very well. It is a self-sealing product and dries very, very quickly as well and gives you a very hard wearing shell on the surface. And it just revives any leather item where you can see that minor damage on the surface. Anything more than this, where you're seeing this sort of damage here, that's where you're going to need LRC14 leather paint. It's water-based, it's eco-friendly, and it's an all-in-one self-sealing product. And it's great for something like a vehicle that is going to be sold, and you can just revive that interior very, very quickly without the need of full restoration processes. This is fantastic. Is the ReNew self-sealing leather repair paint from the Leather Repair Company. LRC47, hop on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.